Welcome to Bez Reviews, where we break down the latest products to help you make smart buying decisions. Today we're diving into the MAMNV Robot Vacuum, a 3-in-1 cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair with minimal effort from your side. This unit boasts some seriously impressive specs and features, making it a potentially fantastic addition to any smart home. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's explore the core cleaning power and intelligent features that make this robot vacuum tick. These metrics highlight its ability to effectively clean your floors and intelligently map your home. Starting with the fundamentals, this MAMNV Robot Vacuum brings some serious muscle to your cleaning routine. The suction power is a standout, and its ability to handle different types of messes, plus its mapping capabilities, are all designed to simplify your life. Let's see how these key areas stack up. The 11500 pascals of ultra-strong suction is a serious number for a robot vacuum, promising a deep clean that can lift embedded pet hair and debris from various floor types effectively. This robot vacuum provides true 3-in-1 functionality, sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping in a single pass with its integrated water tank and dust bin, which is great for tackling both dry and wet messes. The self-emptying feature is a huge convenience factor, allowing up to 90 days of hands-free cleaning by automatically transferring collected debris into a large-capacity dust bag at its base. Its precision LiDAR navigation allows for accurate multi-floor mapping, letting you set specific no-go zones and custom cleaning routines, ensuring efficient and targeted cleaning every time. The MAMNV really shines in its core cleaning and intelligence, offering powerful suction and sophisticated navigation to keep your home spotless with minimal input. Now, let's switch gears and consider the overall convenience and value this robot vacuum brings to the table. These points cover how user-friendly it is and the complete package you receive. Beyond raw performance, a robot vacuum needs to be convenient to use and offer good value. This MAMNV unit aims to deliver on both fronts with features designed to simplify upkeep and provide everything you need to get started. Let's look at the details. The 160-minute runtime is ample for covering most homes in a single cleaning cycle, offering extensive coverage before needing to recharge, which means less interruption to your day. Features like the washable mop pad, automatic carpet boost for deeper cleaning, and a quiet, do not disturb mode contribute to making daily maintenance and operation straightforward and user-friendly. The full kit included with this vacuum is quite generous, providing 5 dust bags, 2 mops, and 2 filters, which means you won't need to buy replacement consumables right away. Considering the powerful suction, advanced LiDAR navigation, and self-emptying capabilities, this robot vacuum offers a strong feature set that represents very good value for its price. From its solid runtime to the excellent accessory package, this robot vacuum delivers a strong proposition, making it a very appealing choice for daily convenience and long-term use. The MAMNV Robot Vacuum stands out with its exceptional 11,500 pascal suction power, advanced LiDAR navigation, and the truly convenient self-emptying station. The generous included accessories also add significant value right out of the box, reducing immediate consumable purchases. While some minor details on battery capacity and advanced obstacle avoidance are not fully clear, the core cleaning capabilities and automation features are robust. If you're looking for a highly capable and hands-free cleaning solution, this robot vacuum offers a strong combination of performance and convenience.